Joe, my name is Harry, and today I want to show you guys 10 people pattern for beginner. In the second episode of this series, we're going to focus on the beep snare, which is one of the most popular snare in beatboxing. Here's the sound list for the video. If there are any sounds you guys don't know, you can check out my beatbox tutorial playlist on my channel and see if there are any helpful video there. The first sound going to be the B, which is the kick drum, the T, which means the hi-hat, the BF, of course, BF snare, and the K for the K snare. Also, it's important to remember that there are many types of K snares, so you can use any of them for the video. It can be this, can be this, can be this. First pattern. Slow. Second pattern. Slow. Third pattern. Slow. The fourth pattern. Slow. Fifth pattern. Slow. Sixth pattern. Slow. Seventh pattern. Slow. Eighth pattern. This is a really hard one. Slow. Ninth pattern. This is the first one that contains triple kick. Slow. Last but not least, the 10th pattern. And slow. Yep, that is the end for the video. If you guys want to see more pattern video like this, please check out my beatbox pattern playlist on my channel. And of course, please leave a like so I can know that you guys like this type of content, so I can continue to make them, so you guys can watch more of them, of course. So, goodbye and see you in the next episode.